Akbar, AD 1556 to 1605. After the death of Humayun, his eldest son, Muhammad Jalauddin Akbar, who was only 13 years of age, became the king of Mughal Empire. Akbar's tutor and guardian, Behram Khan, became his regent and looked after the affairs of the government on his behalf till he was 18. Gradually, Akbar established a vast empire which extended from Afghanistan in the west to Bengal in the east and from Kashmir in the north to Deccan in the south. Akbar followed a policy of religious tolerance towards Hindus.
Akbar had a great passion for knowledge and learning. The 9 most learned and talented men in his court were known as Navratnas or 9 jewels. They were Birbal, Tansen, Abul Fazl, Raja Todarmal, Raja Man Singh, Abdul Rahim Khani Khana, Faizi, Fakir Aziuddin, and Mulla Do Pyaza.